Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and sometimes being a woman takes a lot of maintenance, and that could be even harder when you live in a tiny apartment.
I was blown away by this Vlsrka mirror jewelry cabinet. It held everything that I needed, my jewelry, my makeups. It comes with all of the pieces, plus all the tools that you need to put it together. It was not hard to put together. You just follow the instructions, putting the shelves on in the back and the drawer down at the bottom. And then the little compartment, you add the batteries for the lighting, and it changes tones and then also turns off when you close the door. This fit perfectly into the corner. It turns so easily. It has a nice lock for extra security. And it was just so wonderful to have so many storage options for all of my earrings, my rings, my bracelets, my necklaces, my makeup, my creams, everything that I need to get ready in the morning. It was all right there, easily accessible. And then any extra bigger items you can fit on those shelves in the back. And then of course the drawer at the bottom was just great for putting all of my hair needs. So then you just pull up a chair, you can put your glasses away, get your jewelry on, get everything you need for putting on the makeup, get your hair done. I love how you don't have to worry about getting up for any reason because everything that you need is right there. I really appreciated how easy it was to just go into my corner and get ready for the day.
I highly recommend this, but that's just my point of view.